Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Lemoda hair pre-made curly wig. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Like I always say, comment down below for any suggestions, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you guys can see many more of my videos. But yeah, let's get straight to the video. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to be going through what the wig is like when I try to bleach it, and then the process of me bleaching it, putting my wig on, installing it, etc. I did have my sister helping me because I thought it might just be easier for you guys to see. But to start off with, I'm just going to show you guys what it came in. So it came in this bag, basically. I think I probably did show it in like within the video when I was like bleaching it. So it came in this bag. And all that you really got in there was a wig cap and the wig itself. So the wig came in this long bag here. I think it was 24 inches because I can see here it says 24. To start off with, pre-made wigs might not be as like full, but I feel like this is kind of full, to be honest. I don't think that if I had it any more full, I feel like it would be like too big, if that makes sense. But I think I spent 135 free delivery. I think anything over 135 pounds on AliExpress is free delivery, so you don't have to pay for like tax or anything like that. It took a while, to be honest, because I think when I ordered it, they had a holiday in China, so they obviously weren't working for a period of time, so it took quite a few weeks, I think. But once they came back from holiday and processed it, it was quite quick. It was like the next week I got it. The communication between me and the company was quite good. I mean, they were responding quite quickly. So obviously I got the wig, and then I thought, you know, let me bleach it like I've done before, so that it can match my skin tone. So I tried doing that, and yeah, it didn't work. First time I tried it, didn't work. I didn't record the second time because I thought I just can't be arsed. So I tried it a second time, left it a little bit longer. I'll show you guys what volume and the powder that I used. The volume stayed the same. The first time I used a white powder, and then the second time it was like a bluish powder, which I've used before in my other wigs, and it's worked fine. So I was like, let me just try the blue one. Yeah, it hardly changed it. I mean, you can see some bits that I've done it, but yeah, just did not bleach at all. So if anyone's got any tips or has had a wig from Lemoda before, let me know. Literally left it for 20 minutes, which I've done before, and it's done well. For some reason this time that wasn't the case. So then I just thought, you know what, I might just get like a tint spray thing to put on my wig, which I'm going to get, but I didn't do that in this video. And I completely forgot to put foundation powder inside my cap. So annoying. So I had to like play around with it as much as I could. So when I basically was bleaching it and washing it, it sheds quite a bit. I can't even lie to you, it really does shed quite a bit. And to be honest, like when I bleached it and washed it, like the hair wasn't like properly clean. So I'm glad, to be honest, that I washed it, because yeah, I wouldn't have wanted that on there. It didn't smell or anything like that, but like I said, it sheds. So to be honest, when I did communicate that with the company, I did tell them that that was the case, then they refunded me some of the money. I mean, other than that, the curls are really, really nice. Like, it's full for me. I think it could have been a bit longer. I don't know if you guys can see that well. Like, if I just stand up, I mean, when you stretch it, it goes up to here. But I don't know, would you say it's 24 inches? I don't know. I feel like the frontal could have been a bit fuller, but yeah, I don't think I have too many complaints other than the things that I've complained about. But yeah, the hair's really, really nice. Communication was good. Ratings out of 10, I mean, this compared to my icy hair, I feel like icy hair bleached better and it was more full, but I haven't had a curly wig from icy hair, so I've got to try that. But I mean, in terms of like the fullness and the shedding, it's like bleaching, taking in the bleach, icy hair is definitely better on that side. But I think it's quite like cute. Like, if you guys can see, like, it's very, very full. All I did was put mousse on it, and that was it. I didn't do anything else. I haven't really done the edges. I mean, it came pre-plucked, and I feel like it came quite decent. Maybe in my own time I'll probably do a bit more, but to be honest, for now, like, it's actually absolutely fine. Every, like I said, a few weeks because of the holiday. The hair quality, like I said, cons, it sheds quite a bit, didn't take the bleach. Pros, it's quite full, and I like how it looks. Like, it's quite full, it's like quite cute, and the communication between, you know, the company was good. And I tried the bulk method for the first time. I usually don't do that because I can't be asked, but I tried it this time and it's quite good. But I feel like because my hair, like my baby hairs, go like into my hair here, it's like so hard to like cover it unless like I shave my hair off there, and I really don't want to do that. So I need to kind of figure out a way of disguising that. I did try and like slick it back, but I think next time I might try it and do it a bit better. But other than that, like, I'm happy with how it looks. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think about the hair, and how it looks. Quite full. I haven't had this hair in like years, so I was like, yeah, let me try it. It's summer, so easy to like deal with, because all you have to do is like wet it or put like mousse and stuff like that. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Like I always say, comment down below for any suggestions, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you guys can see many more of my videos. But I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.